Hello and welcome to another glass polish video. Today we're unboxing our xNet glass scratch removal kit, the deluxe version. Here at Glass Polish we made a conscious effort to be more environmentally friendly, so we've ditched all of our old plastic packaging and gone with this nice new 100% recyclable cardboard boxes for all our new kits. As you can see, our contact details there on the side and what the kit contains, what it's designed for, what it's suitable for, and the kind of damage you can expect to remove using it. Okay, so have a little look inside and see what we've got in there. So, to start off with, we've got our 2 felt polishing pads, our 2 blue abrasives, and 2 green abrasives. These are all 75mm. And again, because this is a deluxe kit, you also get the 2-inch 50mm, same, 2 blue abrasives, 2 green abrasives, and 2 felt polishing pads. Along with those abrasives, we've got the 75mm backing pad and the 50mm backing pad also, all both suitable for a drill. We've got our plastic water spray bottle, we've got our glass polishing compound, we have a dust mask, a microfiber cloth and the cleaning, and last but not least, our instructions. I can highly recommend enough reading these instructions before you start. We spent a lot of time and effort putting these together to make it a lot easier for the customer, for you guys when reading through this. Have a little look. We've kind of devised it down to a 13-step process. A little rundown, bit by bit, each step, clear and simple. We've got pictures on there to help you out, just to show you what you can kind of expect when using this kit. We've made it a lot easier and simple for you guys to use when trying to remove scratches from glass. So remember, give these a thorough read through. If you do still have problems or get stuck, by all means give us a shout. You can get us by emailing on contact@glasspolishshop.com, and then we'll be able to pick up that email within 24 hours and get back to you and help you. So, like I said, we've got the 75mm backing pad here, suitable for a drill, and like the 50mm we've got, it's a kind of the backing pad there. We just screw that in, and then that goes into the back of the drill, nice and easy. All the abrasives and the felt polishing pads are all hook and loop. So with the white and black felt polishing pad, remember the black side goes on to the black side of that. Again, hook and loop, nice and easy. We've got our blue, fine, again, nice and easy on, and also with our green abrasive as well. We'll mention with our polishing, these bottles we've got now, again, they're PET plastic, so these again are 100% recyclable. And again, another little conscious effort we're trying to do to help the planet. It would be great if you could hit like and subscribe, which will have a link to the other videos that we do. Look down into the descriptions below, and that will show our online shop, our contact us page, and also the link to the description for this actual kit. Thanks for watching.